friends, welcome back to the channel udaysreview. In our channel, we bring you the latest and greatest gadgets that will level up your entertainment experience.
In this video, let us see a charger from Newell. It is a DL-USB-C charger for NP-FZ100 batteries. So these batteries will generally be used for Sony A9, A7 series, and now it is being used for ZV-E1. So let us see what is there around the box. On the box there is a Newell logo and it is mentioned like DL-USB-C Charger. It is a charger, so it is been printed like multiple languages, and this charger is for NP-FZ100 batteries, which is used by Sony cameras, and it has 40 months warranty worldwide. USB-C and micro USB ports are there for charging, and it is very compact size. It also has LCD screen for the charger indication. On the other side, it has the barcode which says operating manual in multiple languages. If you want to download it, you can go to this website newellpro/download, where you can get this manual. On top there is a logo printed. On the back side also there is a logo. DL-USB-C charger is mentioned, and there is some importer details mentioned here, and it is made in China. Onto the other side, it has some instructions like you should not put the normal batteries for charging, and you should not cut the battery, you should not flame the battery, should not give the batteries to the kid, and the battery should not be consumed. These are the icons which is given here. Onto the down, there are some details mentioned like brand, model number, unit, price, manufacture date, import date, country of origin, then it is manufactured by, and also it is imported by. So these are the details which is there in the box. Now let us unbox it and see what the chargers look like. I am opening the box and pulling out the charger. So you have an cable also inside. There is nothing else in the box. I'll keep the box aside. Let us see what is there. So this is a charger and this is a cable. Now let me open the charger and show to you. This is a charger. Here you can see the LCD screen which was mentioned. This has a protection layer, so I'll pick it out. Onto the side there is nothing. Onto the top you can see the charging ports here. One is the USB-B type and one is the USB-C type. Onto the bottom there is nothing. Onto the side also there is nothing. Onto the back there are few details mentioned like what is the model number of it, and input micro USB 5 watts 2.1 amps, and USB-C is 5 watts, that is also 2.1 amps minimum. Output is 8.4 watts, 700 amp into 1 and 500 amp into 2. The warning message is here, and this made in China sticker is also there. This is what the charger which is looking like. Let me keep the charger aside and let us see what are the cables which is being provided. These are the cables which has been given. So as of now, I think only one USB-B cable is been given. So let me open it. This is the cable which has been provided. So one has a USB port on the end and another has a USB-B port. So we can also connect USB-C port here. I'll show you in some time. I'll connect both of the cables and show you the charging this one. Now let us see how it charges. So for this I'll be using a power bank. I'm using the Amran power bank, which you will see the video. I'll give the link in the I button. So now I have two FZ100 batteries for Sony, one is original and one is the first copy of it. Now I'll be connecting both of it to the charger and showing it to you. This is the original battery from Sony. I'll just plug it in like this. This is also another FZ battery for the Sony. So that also I'll be connecting it like this. As now both are connected, I'll be taking a USB-C cable and plugging it for the charging in the USB-C port. So like this. So here you can see the battery is charging. So battery 2 is already charged, so it shows the full indicator. Now battery 1 is charging, so you see this indication here. Same thing, I will connect USB-B also and show it to you. So I am taking a USB cable which was provided in the box and plugging it to the power bank. I will be connecting to the port here. So here you can see the indications. As I told you, the battery 2 is charged and battery 1 has to be charged, so that is why these indicators are coming.
One hour later. Hours later.
Wow! Wow!
3 hours later. 4 hours later.
So friends, hope you enjoyed this unboxing of Newell DL-USB-C Charger, and we have showed you how the charger looks and how the charger works. We also have showed you what's the time for the charger to charge batteries. So hope you like this video and you share this video to your friends and families, and also let them know to subscribe to the channel. So see you in another interesting content. Bye.